If you ask me about the challenges for the future from our customers, I would highlight mainly three main topics. The first topic is definitely the increased regulatory pressure that is coming from all the authorities. The second topic is, I would call it the time to market. And the third topic is definitely the increased cost pressure. If you ask me about how a factory of the future would look like, I see it the way that first of all we need a fully digital factory. All the data are available at the point when they are created to make sure that everything is running smoothly. We need to make sure that our machines are ready to produce when our customers want to produce. And therefore we are developing several features, partnering up with our customers to make sure that their downtime is as less as possible. And these are the main topics, how we address the challenges of our customers in the factory of the future. SynTiso is the future of pharmaceutical production, including fully Annex 1 compliance, gloveless isolator technology, and highest OEE possible. For the development of SynTiso, we partnered up with two well-known pharmaceutical companies to make sure that the pharmaceutical know-how is part of the development. Looking at the life cycle of our customers, we are offering ramp-up support to make sure that we have a smooth startup of the production, but also later on we are offering services to make sure that the performance of the machine is according to plan. And this is what for us a strategic lifecycle partnership looks like.